Here today I'll show you how the hackers locate the GPS location. Okay, locate the GPS location. So then one website is there that is called IP logger. Okay, so by using this IP logger, hackers location tracker track the location, track the IP address, and track the phone number. Understood? What is the website is there? Which website is there? IP logger. IP logger is a IP logger website which tracks your location, IP and phone number. Here first I go to the IP logger. I go to the IP logger. First I need to have one URL. I need any URL. I need any URL to look to trace the location. For this one, what I do here, I take the one website URL. Okay, I take the one website URL. Okay, you can take any website URL. I'm just taking this one. Okay. I just copy this one. Just copy this one, and we need to paste here. So this URL, it will, by using this URL, we are going to track the IP address and location. We need to send this URL. To the victim. Whenever this URL clicks the victim, then we can find out the location. So what is this one? IP logger is URL shortener with advanced analytics for traffic through your links. Visitors on online store, blog or website. With IP logger, IP grabber, you can find your own IP address, find the location of the IP address and track the exact location of any mobile or PC. We need to send this URL. So now I have taken this URL, any URL. Then click on the create a short link. When you click on this one, we need to enable this thing. All this in the options we need to enable. Okay, to enable. Then one URL is there. Okay. Okay, we need to enable this one. All this one we need to enable. Just enable. Okay. So okay, now I had enabled. Now this one also. Sorry. So whenever it clicks and it tries to redirect, 1 minute. Okay, I just enable this one. Okay. Then one URL is generated, new URL is generated, the short link is generated. Suppose you want to use this domain name, we need to pay this one. So this is the URL. After from this URL, I change it to this URL. So we need to send this URL to the, I need to send this URL to the victim, either WhatsApp or anything. Okay, I am sending this URL through WhatsApp for me. From myself. Okay, this is my number. I am sending this one. Okay, to my WhatsApp number. Here I sent this one. So whenever victim think that victim is mine, okay, just click on this one. Then here the victim is clicked the link. So whenever victim is clicked the link, what happens here? Okay, it will display the original website of the Flipkart. Okay, it will display the original website of the Flipkart. Okay, so then how to know the information here? Here, go to the link here. Okay, then just need to refresh here, refresh here. Okay. So when you refresh here, so this is the date, this is the IP address of the victim, this is the location Visakhapatnam, and this is the operating system, and this is the browser name. When you click on the smart data, it shows the location. Okay, this is the exact location of the victim. Understood? Hope you understood. Try to do track the anyone.